Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Real quickly here, I'm going to do how I remove my makeup really quick when I'm not doing a full facial, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I'm using my basic products that I use every day. I have makeup on and I'm taking it off. I kind of pull my hair back just to make sure that I don't get any hair in my face or my makeup and things like that. So what I tend to do, I have my little container of olive oil that I like to use on my hands just to kind of help to moisturize, get ready for this process. So I'm going to be using Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. This is my favorite. It's my go-to. And please let me know what you guys use as well. I tend to gravitate towards this because it's quick and easy. And by the way, I already took off my eyelashes, so that helps. I'm just taking off the initial eyeliner, mascara, and eyeshadow. And it comes off instantaneously. I love it. It's such a quick fix. It's non-oily and it's great for the eyes. Then I just take a Q-tip in the same solution and go under my eye. Okay, do one more because the mascara is a little bit hard to come off, which is okay. It's supposed to be waterproof, but this takes care of it. Okay. This is real simple when you want to take off your eye makeup and your makeup at night to make sure you don't sleep in it. Sometimes, depending on how tired I am, I must admit I do sleep in my makeup. But the next morning, it's off, for sure. It's gone forever. You want to take time under your eye and around your eye, not to rub too hard, even if you're trying to do this quickly. What I tend to do is use a little solution, and that helps me to just clean my inner eyelids before I take my contact out. Kind of gets that extra dirt out of there. Okay. It's not the prettiest process, but it works. Any excess liner, it helps to remove that as well. Okay, so the eyes are looking pretty good. Just do a little close up here with my Jeffree Star. Okay, not bad, not bad. Alrighty. So then I'm going in with, this is Beauty 360. This is a CVS brand. It's Ultra Soft Makeup Remover Toilettes. This is something that I wish I had bought more because it seems to be running out in the store. But I got about 5 left. And this is a quick way to get your makeup off. And it does a phenomenal job, let me tell you. Okay, next I'm going in with Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. My products vary. Oftentimes I'll use Jacqueline Page Cosmetics, but today I'm using Neutrogena for some of the products and CVS Beauty 360. I like to take it down and go along my neckline. Yeah, does a great job. Okay, so now I'm going in with Jacqueline Page Rejuvenating Face Cream. Sorry about that. And I just take a simple Q-tip, apply it on, put it on evenly. Careful around the eye area. I'm not going to really take this down on my neck because I'm going to use my neck cream. Next, I'm using Jacqueline Page. What is this? Oh, Hyaluronic Eye Cream. Sorry about that. I have one contact in and one out. It's kind of crazy. Okay, I just take a Q-tip, add a little bit of this. There you go. Sure, stay out, please. Okay. And I use my little ring finger because generally it applies the least amount of pressure on my eye. Okay. Next, I'm going in with this. Here's a night cream I bought from my dermatologist. It's fabulous. Sorry about the noise. Revision Neck Trim. I'm sorry, Revision Neck Firm. And it's supposed to be the best on the market. It was kind of pricey, but I've had it now for about a year. So it was worth it. And as you know, here's some exercises for under your chin. It helps to keep away the double chins. Okay, so that's it. It took me about 6 minutes. My face feels good. So let me know your makeup removal routine. Let me know what you think about these products. I love all of these products. I use them on a daily basis. So you guys, don't forget to click the JB and subscribe. Click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I love to upload them on Wednesdays, so we kind of have a trend going here. Leave a comment and don't forget to give me a like. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I will see you guys in my next video. One other thing, don't forget Jacqueline's blog. All right, Jacqueline's Beauty Blog. That's it. Okay, you guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.